Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the June Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit includes 2 brand new collections each and every month. You get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments, so everything that you need to start creating. So this month our 2 collections are Happy Healing from Doodlebug. This is a fun collection. If being sick or in the hospital, all of those little mishaps can be fun, this is what's going to make it fun. And then from Echo Park, we have Let's Take the Trip, which is a great vacation collection, just perfect for this summer. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to get in your kit this month. Our first collection we're going to look at is Happy Healing from Bella Boulevard. So this is all about mishaps, doctor's visits, being sick, hospital visits, but it is such a fun collection. And we all have those moments to document. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock and 1 sheet of romance. Your pattern paper is this beautiful floral in all of the different colors. This paper is called Thinking of You. Then we have a polka dot on yellow. We have this plaid with all of the different colors, and this paper is called Happy Heart. And the back is all of the different colors of hearts on the blue background. This paper is called Love Blooms, and it's a 2-toned pink heart. And then the back is a tiny floral with little hearts on a pink background. So you can see this is a pretty fun collection. So that is your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have several border strips. We have this scalloped striped. We have this kind of rickrack 2-toned blue striped, and then we have a small scalloped in the coral pink, a light pink curly Q, and then a silver metallic scalloped with all of the different colors of hearts. So I really love the silver metallic in here. It gives it a little bit of fun and whimsy as well. You have lots of word labels here, and then bigger icons with these great sayings that could be used for the titles: On the Road to Recovery, Wishing You Mugs, Hugs, and Effective Drugs. So I think this is just an adorable collection. So that is Happy Healing from Doodlebug Design. Our next collection is Let's Take the Trip from Echo Park. And I love the colors in this collection. It's just a lot of fun. It's kind of more muted, and it's not the typical travel ones that you see. It's perfect for anything local or international, airplanes, taking a car. You can document it all. So you're going to get 2 sheets of bitter chocolate cardstock, 1 sheet of smooth white cardstock, and then this pattern paper is the license plates. Discover, Travel Together, I love to travel, and then we have a chevron type design in brown. This paper is called Road Trip Plates. Then we have all of the luggage tags that you put on at the airport with the different vacation sayings. The back is this great little, it's kind of like a leaf design, 2-toned on red. That paper is called Tags for the Trip. And then we have a cut apart here. I love this. Travel the World with Me. So it looks like the retro postcards. And then we have 4x6s, we have some squares, 4x4 and 2x2, and then these tags. It's just great. The back is the little geotags. This paper is called the multi-journaling cards. So I love the colors. Your embellishments is the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a scalloped stripe, and then we have a border with the airplanes, bicycles and cars, with all of the luggage, a hot air balloon. I love this, the little luggage cart, and I love the little kind of like the travel sign, the arrival and departure that says adventure. So that's perfect for creating titles. The airplane window here, it's great. So that is Let's Take a Trip from Echo Park. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out all the fun challenges and the sketches, everything that we have going on the Facebook group and the blog. The There's lots of inspiration for you. Also check out the other kits. I'll have reveal videos here at the end that you can click and check out everything that's in those kits this month. We want to thank you so much for watching and creating with us, and we cannot wait to see what you create with your kits.